Memory is a big part of learning. One way we remember things is through something called maintenance rehearsal. This is a simple but effective memory technique. It helps us keep information in our minds for a short period. How does it work? Maintenance rehearsal works by repeating information over and over. Think of it like repeating a phone number in your head until you write it down. You keep saying the number to yourself to remember it for a short time. This process keeps the information active in your short-term memory. Short-term memory. Short-term memory is like a temporary storage space in your brain. It holds information for a few seconds or minutes. Maintenance rehearsal helps keep information in this space longer. However, if you stop repeating the information, it can easily be forgotten. Real-life examples. You use maintenance rehearsal often without even realizing it. Here are some common examples. Repeating a friend's address until you write it down, saying a list of groceries to yourself while you shop, memorizing a locker combination until you open the lock. These tasks rely on maintenance rehearsal to keep the information fresh in your mind. Benefits of maintenance rehearsal. Maintenance rehearsal is helpful for simple tasks. It can quickly help you remember important information. For example, it's useful for remembering phone numbers, memorizing dates and times for appointments, learning new vocabulary words for a short quiz. This method is quick and doesn't need much effort. It is a good way to handle small bits of information. Limitations of maintenance rehearsal. However, maintenance rehearsal has its limits. It does not help with long-term memory. Information repeated this way is not likely to be remembered after a few hours or days. For long-term memory, different techniques are needed, like elaborative rehearsal. This involves making connections and understanding the information deeply. How to use it effectively. To make the most out of maintenance rehearsal, focus on one thing at a time. Avoid distractions while repeating the information. Use it for simple tasks. Stick to small bits of information like phone numbers or short lists. Pair it with other techniques. Combine it with writing down the information or using mnemonic devices to improve memory retention.